What's up and good morning everyone. Hopefully you guys have had a fantastic weekend. Today on the channel, which you've probably already seen by the title or whatever, we're gonna figure out how much this truck weighs. It's probably right in the sun. But we're gonna go weigh the big truck, load it up on a trailer, get it all taken care of. The reason for doing this is that in the military, they pay to move your stuff to wherever you're going after you get out. So I need to get a weight of all my shit, which is this truck. So we're gonna load it up on a trailer, pretty much tear the weight. So weigh it on the trailer, take it off, weigh the trailer and my other truck empty, and see how much it weighs. But I'm gonna go ahead and get all the chain and binders and everything together. That way we have everything, we can go load the truck up, go bring it to the scales, bring it back, unload it, go drop the trailer off. So gonna be a busy morning. We're already a little bit late, but anyways, we're gonna go see how much the custom built truck is, or how much it weighs at least. Anyways, it's not worth nothing. Alright guys, we're all loaded up on the trailer. We've got the truck warming up. We actually had to download a new tune on the truck. And we put a K&N cold air intake on it. And the MAF sensor was throwing a code for performance, so, and an LBZ mouthpiece. I know I didn't video it, but everyone does intake installs, so easy day. Got the truck all strapped down. Just alternated chain strap. Things all tied up, everything looks good. Everything should be all right. Towing on 420s. And we're gonna head down to the scales real quick and just get everything situated so we can be done for this day. This took way longer and we're starting way later, but it's all good. Time to hit the road. Alrighty guys, so far so good. Towing to the, we're actually at a waste disposal, whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna get on the scale and see, we'll see how much the total weight is. We can at least see it from here, so when we pull up, we'll know. And then we're gonna unload the truck, come back, weigh empty, see what the difference is. I might as well just weigh it full because I already have the truck on the trailer. No sense in doing it twice. But we'll see how much this weighs as a full combination, and then get to work. 18,160. All right guys, so we went through, what was the gross weight? 17,980 without me in the truck. I was standing off to the side. So we're gonna go ahead and get the Duramax unloaded and see what the difference is. So I'm guessing we're gonna come in around 9 something, because that shit's heavy. Everything I did on the front, all that crazy, the big tires and everything, you know, it's all heavy. So we're gonna get it unloaded real quick and yeah, go weigh it. We'll park it over here, weigh the truck and trailer again, and do the same thing over again. So we're getting there. Alrighty guys, so we made it back. Gonna unload the truck, and that's probably gonna do it for today. We gotta bring the trailer back, and we're going to a This Wildlife concert tonight, so yeah, a lot of good stuff, but we'll wrap up. We'll go over all the weight slips here in a minute after I get this thing unloaded, and then we'll probably be done for the day, so it's a good time. All right, everyone, so we are done for today. The truck is offloaded. We're gonna bring the trailer back. The total weight of the truck came in at 7,240 without me in it, or like without my person on the weight scale. So yeah, kind of heavy. There's a bunch of shit in it too, but we don't really care for right now. Radio's going on. What the fuck? So anyway, so we're gonna go drop the trailer off. That's gonna do it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, crazy to see how much. I thought the truck was gonna weigh a lot more, but I guess I cut a lot of stuff off and added a lot of stuff, so didn't really go too crazy over. It is an extended cab, so it probably is a little bit heavier than your average extended cab. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. And by the looks of things, I gotta go through all the comments, but it looks like we're gonna be rebuilding the big truck instead of a drag truck for this year. So we'll find out. We're making a new video on the truck coming soon, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys later. We're out of here.